Okay, today I am Shubham from RTPHU. I'll be teaching you how to debug a program in your VS Code, how to set up basically debugger in VS Code. We are in C program. This is a simple C program. It's print a string which you have entered. So now we'll be setting up the debug. First, click on this like this. The name of this program is main.c. Then go to this icon. This is debug option. Now you can see as my debugger is not set up, so I have to set it up first. For setting it up, go on run and click add configuration. In that, select C++ GDB slant LLDB. After selecting that, select this, and your debugging is building. As you can see down, it's building everything what is required for debugging, and you can see it has been built. Now stop it and just click cancel. Now will be this is the breakpoint, will be debugging it. Press debug, and as you can see the mainframe will be loaded. Breakpoint is main.c. First breakpoint is